Hello, today I'm reviewing this USB Bluetooth speaker, and thanks to Cyber Acoustics for sending it to me so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. So what makes this speaker a little bit different is that right here on the top, as you can see, we actually have a clamp. So it's very easy to attach to your monitor or maybe to your TV. And right here in the end, we have our USB, or you can also use USB-C connection. So with this speaker, it's actually very easy to understand all of these 5 buttons on the top. So we have volume up and down. We have a button where you can switch between USB-A and USB-C connection. Then we have a microphone, and then we also have a multifunctional button, which can also help you to pair your Bluetooth mode, or you can also answer your calls or reconnect your speaker to any other devices. So let's actually turn on some of my video and see how loud the speaker could get. And also for the reference, I just turned off my microphone so we can actually be able to hear how loud it could get. So let's test it out. But if you get closer, you can see a little bit of the details. And I also have a lightweight, but at the same time, if you add a blend, it will definitely get heavy. And inside we have a plug-in, so you can leave it on. So you can actually see how loud it could get. And also if you're using this speaker and you want to answer some of your calls, it's very easy because you have this microphone button right here. And yeah, overall, I think it could be a great speaker. It's perfect for laptop. You can use it with your monitor. You can also connect it to your phone, to your tablet via Bluetooth, or just use USB-C connection. Overall, I really love it and highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.